All we have to decide is what to do with the time given to us. Those words have been the inspiration behind today's episode about time. Different people perceive time differently depending on how they go about life. If you ask the CEO of a multinational company or a billionaire, he would advise not to waste any time. Invest all the time and energy into building a successful career. He would feel that the duration of his lifespan is too short and he would like to have more time to accomplish more. But if you ask an elderly man who is on his deathbed, he would say that his time is too long and he's happy to have experienced his life as it has been. That is how contradictory people's perception about time is. Time is something finite, dynamic, unstoppable, but also a gift to us humans to evaluate the life that we have lived. Ambitions change from individual to individual. What makes one happy needn't make another feel the same way. Thus, what governs the usage of time in one's life are his aims, goals, and thoughts. Without inspiration in life, there is no stimulus for emotions. And without any emotions, there is no catalyst to act. Without acting, there is no perception, and without perception, one does not experience life, and he is as good as an inanimate object. Time can seem very complex, but the explanation to how it functions is quite simple. Influenced by another's view, we have stopped to value time, stopped to pursue things that we thought we would devote our time to, stopped doing what we love in the fear of being criticized for doing what we love. In the end, we have started to live in a world that has become stereotyped, functions in the same monotonous way, where everyone takes the road already explored and no one seems to be interested to explore the unexplored. What makes us different from other species are our emotions. Start to value them, give them their due importance, so that we learn to control them and start living a life that becomes more meaningful, not influenced by foreign thought. To spend time in life by surviving every other day, surpassing every other hour, living every other minute and experiencing every other second is the purpose of time that has been given to us. We may not have any control over the passing of time, but we sure do have control over how it passes. To breathe and hover through time is but to survive. To experience time is to live.